Hi everyone. Welcome back to EthioTech Hub. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to add the Amharic language and keyboard on your Windows computer, whether you're using Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type the language settings. Then click on it from the results. Under Preferred Languages, click Add a Language. Type Amharic in the search box. Then click Amharic and click Next, then Install. Now, wait while the Amharic language pack is downloading. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Once installed, click the drop-down next to Windows Display Language and choose Amharic if you want to change your system interface language. Open Word or Notepad and start typing using the G's layout. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you add the Amharic keyboard to your PC. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EthioTech Hub for more helpful tech videos. See you in the next one.